हो माझं नेट
भेटेल का माझं डेस्कटॉपचं ऑन आहे बघ हॉटस्पॉट डेस्कटॉप नावाने बघ
काय करतोय?
starting today, as well as an amazing workshop on how to use general APIs. Our hackathon will begin in the morning tomorrow. Participants were given the option to choose between two tracks: generating AI, the first, and the second one was social good or open innovation. We are excited to announce that we have a prize pool of 17K. Uh, we are excited to announce that we have a prize pool of 17K, which is distributed between these tracks. And we have 43 teams competing for the same prize. Throughout the event, you will have the opportunity to work alongside like-minded individuals from various backgrounds and skill sets. Together, you will brainstorm, design, and develop new ideas that could potentially shape the future. Now, I would like to invite Sandeep Shinde sir, HOD Computer Science Department, and facilitate our first speaker, Neeraj Lunath sir.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. In this hackathon, you all participants came here. First of all, on behalf of Microsoft Students Learning Club, I, Sandeep Shinde, welcome you all on behalf of this club and Department of Computer Engineering. When we say hackathon, the word hack means what? Something is created and we are not having a way to enter into, and we are finding a different way which a developer also don't have. Entering through such a different way to enter into that particular system is hack. In general, the meaning of hack is there, and therefore people are referring it as hacking. But then what is a hackathon? For a given task, if you propose some different solutions which even the one who has designed a problem statements also don't know, designing such a solutions, proposing such a solutions and providing it to the society or government is a hackathon. Why to participate in hackathon? For an institute like VIT, which is almost a 40 years old institute, we are going to become a 40 years old institute in month of September coming. So it is one of the oldest institute in Maharashtra, and we are the first private institute in the state of Maharashtra to become an autonomous engineering college. In 2008 we got an autonomy. After autonomy, VIT has started various practices which people has not digested at the start. But thereafter, these practices was awarded by Government of India for innovations, for research and various kinds of academic practices. Even when I used to discuss this with our students mostly, when we started internship before autonomy with the NVIDIA, and it was very difficult to accommodate that. Because student has to complete a coursework also and internship as well. But the Department of Computer Engineering motivated students and accepted this challenge, and we successfully ran that time. We started college for final year at 8 a.m. in the morning, and in the morning slots only we completed their daily lectures for the students, those who have got the internship in such a institutes, organizations like NVIDIA. Now, from then, now we are providing a full-time internship, but AICT has decided and informed to all colleges in India that at least a summer internship, one internship is mandatory for every graduating students of engineering education. But we are the pioneer of that. Likewise, today we are talking about the hackathons. Why to participate in hackathon? What exactly the goal of hackathon? The classroom teaching learning process is restricted for the given syllabus, designed syllabus by few experts. And word is very big. So I am aware that many of our clubs are developing various projects, like there is TRF club, they are talking about robotics, they are developing robotics. Our Trident lab students, they are developing some underwater robots or satellite antennas where they are capturing signals from satellite. Your club is developing some other various kinds of systems. But apart from this particular thing, which you do in the classrooms, laboratories, there are some problems which are there in the society, or they are problems which industry is facing now, and we need an exact solution. As I mentioned, as what exactly the hackathon means, proposing some different ways to solve it, and the one who solves it efficiently, that group will be awarded. And such a solution will be widely accepted and largely implemented as a product in future. So you will get so many things to learn out of it. You can develop, you can get an idea how to develop a product, how to put your knowledge, how to apply your knowledge, because that is one objective of education. The outcome of education is you must be able to apply your knowledge, and that can be done through such a kind of computations very nicely. So I hope I will not take much of your time, because we have to listen some technical contents as well, and philosophy can be explained at any other time as well. But we expect that the next hackathon which we are planning, most of you or some of you are maybe aware of, we feel that, I am expecting that this auditorium must be full and a crowd is waiting outside, and we have a display outside for the crowd, those who are not accommodating in this auditorium. So, participate wherever you get an hackathon information, you know that there is a hackathon. Participate in such hackathons. Motivate your friends to participate in different hackathons. Learn more and more. Upskill yourself. And do your best. All the best for this hackathon and any future hackathons wherever you participate. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Without any further ado, let's get started to be inspired and learn about amazing possibilities of AI solutions for everyday issues. The MLSC is thrilled to present AI Solutions, the Future Today by the renowned expert Neeraj Duna. Neeraj is not only an expert in computer vision and deep learning, but he is also an entrepreneur and community builder. As the founder of AI India Innovation Center and Artificial Intelligence India Community, Neeraj has impacted over 50,000 members with his knowledge and passion for AI. With this technical expertise in deep learning, computer vision, embedded systems, IoT, and AI on edge, Neeraj believes in utilizing the power of artificial intelligence to make a positive impact on people's lives. So, give a warm round of applause for our speaker, Neeraj Duna, who will kick off the event with an inspiring talk.
Good afternoon, friends. Slides are working. I guess projector is not working. First of all, I would like to thanks to Microsoft Learn Student Club, PIT Pune, for giving me this opportunity to present my views on the AI technology today and the future. Also, I'm thankful to HOD sir for inviting me and arranging this session. So today we'll be seeing different AI technologies. What are the used today? What are the technologies will be used in the future? Altogether, this is the stack where I'm trying to cover technology point of view as well and application point of view as well. So we'll be covering both the stuffs. So moving forward, if we see like what is artificial intelligence? Anyone would like to add? Anyone would like to comment anything on it? What is artificial intelligence in a raw term, in a rough language? What is your understanding about artificial intelligence? Yeah, please.
Many of the times humans have to do a complicated task, in which they. So many of the times humans have to do computational work, which require a lot of hard work. For example, you have to multiply bigger numbers on a small note. When we have to multiply bigger numbers, for humans it takes a lot of time sometimes. And to do that on a faster note, we have invented computers or machines like that. So when the tasks are to be done repetitively, the humans have made robots or the machines that can do the work on their own. So in short, whenever we implement a machine that can mimic a human's work or task, so in that we have used artificial intelligence.
Okay, it's there somewhere. Anyone would like to add? Something else? Anything?
Something like when the computer is able to take decisions as if a human would be taking, like whether to act on this or not, which part to be taken. In that way, we could call it as an artificial intelligence.
Okay, okay, that's that. Anyone? Anyone would like to comment what is artificial intelligence? You have any idea? You have some thoughts on it? You know some maybe theoretical definition? Anything that will work. We are not in classroom, okay? So even वो मूवी में दिखाते वैसे वाला भी मतलब आंसर that one will also work. Okay.
As per me, the AI is set of algorithms which could mimic the human behavior.
AI is a
Set of algorithms
Okay.
which could mimic the human behavior.
Okay.
Like we don't need to do that task again and again, so that we could design algorithm which could do the repetitive task, and it would be easier for the humans also to manage these algorithms.
Okay, okay, makes sense. Perfect. So, moreover about artificial intelligence, if you just search on Wikipedia, you will get some theoretical definition, okay? If you just search on Wikipedia, what is artificial intelligence, you're going to get some theoretical definition by Wiki. Perceiving, synthesizing, inferring information demonstrated by machine as opposed to intelligence displayed by non-human animals and humans. Okay. So altogether, someone said that it is ability to copy the human abilities. Okay. So what are the human abilities we are copying here? One, human can see the things. Okay. By seeing the things, we can take some sort of decisions. So that's the field of computer vision, where you are recording some of the stuff using camera in the form of images or in the form of videos, and you are taking decisions based upon the intelligent algorithms, right? So that's the ability, that's the field of computer vision. One, human can hear the things, that's the field of natural language processing. By hearing the stuff, you can replicate those. You can replicate those stuffs. You can work on the information. You can make some decision on it, right? So the ability of seeing the stuff, the ability of hearing the stuff, here it covers two major aspects of computer vision. One is two aspects of AI. Here the two aspects are computer vision and NLP. Okay. So this one is the more scientific information from Stanford. What is AI? Okay. So how AI and machine learning and deep learning are different? More people are saying that we are doing machine learning, but we are not doing AI. Sometimes people are saying, okay. Sometimes people are saying we are doing machine learning, but no, we are not using any part of deep learning. Or deep learning is something which is very heavy. Anyone would like to comment? Most of we have first year crowd, right? First year, second year. How many of like first year crowd? Second year? And third year? Oh, third year का majority है. Okay. So you guys must be aware that what is machine learning, what is deep learning, how the things are different from each other, right? Yeah. So how machine learning and deep learning are different? Anyone would like to comment? Okay, so AI, machine learning is a subset of AI. AI is like engineering, okay? So you are coming into the electronics and telecommunication engineering division. That's like AI. Okay, that's the one core. That's the one whole field, and you are doing something specific inside it. You are focusing on some specific subject. You are focusing on data structure. You are focusing on C language. That's like machine learning. That's one of the field in itself. That's one special inside the AI. And what is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning where the data is in the excessive form and we are using mostly high computational power GPUs in order to train the information. Okay. So in the first AI came in the 1940-55 AI term was coined, and in 1980 machine learning came into the existence, and you can see deep learning came into existence just recently into 2012. Okay. So what are the uses of artificial intelligence? Okay, so moving forward with today's topic, with today's agenda, what is artificial intelligence? Like, what are the use cases of artificial intelligence in today's world? I mean, no one can bypass, or no one can escape the use of AI. Everyone is using AI by knowingly or unknowingly in each and every format of tech. Okay. So if you just start from the banking and personal finance aspect, AI is used mostly for credit decisions, client segmentation, fraud prevention, sort of stuff. And if you see this landscape, if you see the uses of AI in different fields, you will find in each field, in the transport, in the retail, education, cyber security, smart homes, everywhere AI is being used today extensively. Okay. But why it's taking too hot today, or why AI is getting this much attention in the last few several years? Because we have a lot of amount of data available today. We have huge amount of, we are having good availability of computational power, and third thing, algorithms are getting advanced. So the algorithms like convolutional neural networks, RNN, transformers are getting invented, and due to those algorithms, AI is able to make decisions in the very short span of time. It can learn the things as well at next level speed. So if you see the outline, one of the major field in the AI, or one of the most used AI for different tasks is computer vision. And if you see the task in computer vision or outlines in computer vision, you can use computer vision for recognition, you can use computer vision for tracking, you can use computer vision for different sort of manipulation, segmentation stuff. So this is about computer vision. And if you are coming more ahead, so these are the functions of computer vision. You can use OCR, you can use computer vision for surveillance systems, medical imaging, machine inspections. So we'll discuss one by one function of computer vision, okay, in the detailed manner. So what is OCR? Anyone aware of it? OCR?
Optical character recognition.
So how do you use OCR? Or what is it? Yeah, anyone?
It is used to recognize digits and letters.
Okay. Extract text for image. That's very precise. Okay. Image to text. Yeah, that is there. So what are the applications of OCR? Have you used OCR before? Are you using it? Okay, where? Google Lens, right? So that's the one application of OCR. But any other use cases you are aware? Sorry? Sumo? Okay.
That's one type of ACR. Reading number plates.
Reading number plates, yeah, that's one of exciting applications. Anything else? Okay, let's add examples. Okay, someone said reading number plates. Someone said sumo. What was it? Okay, yeah.
Even they are using it video editing software.
Video editing software, how?
I don't, they are utilizing
Sorry.
video editing software.
Okay, video editing software. So you're using OCR for it. Okay. Any more use case? Recently, I did one POC with Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, so there we guys use OCR for doing KYC registrations. So PAN card, Aadhaar card, all those things. So one of the department was doing loan approval process. Okay, earlier it was used to take in order to do or in order to go through all the documents, different types of documents like they are having Aadhaar card, they are having driving license, passport, some sort of tax reports and all those. In order to extract those information, in order to approve all the stuffs, it was used to take 2 to 3 days time period. But after applying OCR on those images, after extracting information, we were just able to do those stuffs in a 2-hour time span. I mean, just extracting information and all those just took us some fractions of seconds, but doing all their banking process and all, I mean, covering all, it was just taking 2 hours. So that's one of the use case I did recently in Kotak Mahindra. Retail automation, personalized search. Retail automation, okay. Anyone would like to say retail automation? Any examples? Any use case you are aware? 1 year back, I did one POC with one Azerbaijan client. Okay, they are having one supermarket, and there they built theft detection. So अगर कोई चोरी कर रहा है कोई सामान की, तो our CCTV based software were able to detect someone is doing some sort of theft or someone is fighting inside the shop, someone is eating food, those type of stuff we did with the help of computer vision. We built object detection, we built object tracking, facial recognition, and important stuff was action tracking. So with the help of action tracking, we developed one software that was able to detect the thefts. Okay, machine inspection. For machine inspection, I have implemented one software for machine inspection. I can show you that one. Okay, so that was able to track whether PCBs are faulty or not. Okay, so that was able to show in real time whether PCBs are properly layered or not, whether components are mounted properly or not. Guys, can you see my screen? Yeah, so this is soldering. Okay, so soldering is not done properly. So our algorithm was able to track the soldering was not done properly and this part is faulty. Just keep this aside. Okay, scratch is there. Okay, socket is not fitted properly. Bending is there on the PCB. So this type of machine inspection project we did in the past. This one is geometric measurement detection. So can you guys guess what is it? What is it? Okay, and what do you understand from it? I have software. I have drawn bounding box around this capacitor. Capacitor is not mounted properly, right? Yeah. So this type of machine inspection stuff we have developed in the past, and this has been used in industry today. So imagine on your conveyor belt parts are moving at a very high speed, and you have to detect whether components are mounted properly or not, whether soldering is done properly or not, whether there is any bend or not. So these type of stuffs can be done with the help of computer vision. That's one of the use case. Moving forward, 3D model building. So any example or anything you would like to add on the 3D model building? I just want to keep this session, as much as interactive, and I want to hear from you. What are your ideas? What do you think upon some of the terminologies? Maybe if something goes wrong, don't worry. No one is perfect, right? Okay, please.
So there is one example of 3D modeling where a camera moves
Mhm.
The camera take multiple pictures of your face. So on these photos, there are also certain spots that it records.
Yeah.
Using these photos, they create a 3D model of your whole face. And you can also see such implementation with our whole body. Because I have seen some in malls and other places.
Okay, Mission Impossible.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Anyone would like to add? Any example, any interesting use case we can discuss? Yeah, please.
So in deep motion apps, there it captures our face and creates a character model.
Okay,
And it is our face.
okay, okay. So that's about face once again, okay.
And also it captures the video and animates the
Okay, okay. Yes.
For game making, we usually showcase the capture for example, moving. If someone is moving, so there are many apps they are using for that. We can utilize the movement of any person in a 3D model.
Okay. Okay. Three use cases. Any use case? Okay. Yeah, please.
Have the 3D trial of the lens card.
Yeah, that's one of hot use case nowadays. Yeah. Anything? I'll share one example. Okay. This is ongoing project in our company. We are working with one Aurangabad-based company. They guys are manufacturing different types of films. When I say films, these are plastic films coated on different cars. So you might be aware that there are some sort of films coated on your cars, okay? So these type of cars coated films, they are having in particular shape. So right now they are able to create films in particular format, like in the square format, okay? But most of the film get wasted after using it. Why? Because the shape of car is not uniform, or that's not particular in the square form or in the circular form, okay? So they have, from their internal survey or internal research, they guys found 27% of their film is getting wasted. Plastic film, I mean that's completely wasted. एक बार लगा दो, जो साइड में रहता है, उसको बस फाड़ के फेंकना ही है. Okay, but how to solve this problem? So with this problem they came to us. After doing lot of research and survey, we have realized we guys can measure the distance of those parts, और जितना distance है exactly that much film we can produce. This is one possible solution, okay? But how to actually identify the distance of that vehicle, or how to exactly know the distance of that vehicle? So using 3D, Open 3D, there is one algorithm called Open 3D. Okay, Apple invented this algorithm. Using Open 3D, we are delivering one solution. Just use our Android app. Just take the photo of your car, okay, from all angles. Like you said, face ka all angles. They guys are taking photo, or they guys are taking impressions. Okay, that's how you just camera ko घुमाओ, उस Android app को घुमाओ from all the angles of car, and we will draw the photo of that car, and your wastage will dramatically come down. Are you able to imagine it? So that type of solution we guys are developing right now. Maybe I can show you some of the photos for that. Maybe, okay, that's in my another system, but I will show you maybe at the end of session. Medical imaging. Okay, that's one of interesting field, and that's one of wide field where AI is being used nowadays. Anyone would like to add some use cases for medical AI? Come on, yeah, medical AI, yeah.
Liver anomaly detection.
Sorry?
Liver anomaly detection.
Liver anomaly detection. Okay, anything else?
cancer detection.
Cancer detection. Okay, what type of cancer detection?
Skin cancer.
Sorry?
Tells you where the tumor might be located.
Tumor. Okay, what else? Okay, two use cases. Bolo, why? What use cases you have in your mind? You are discussing use case or something else?
Acne detection.
Sorry?
Acne detection.
What is detection?
Acne.
Okay, acne. Okay. Third use case. Anything else?
Basically, any disease detection.
Any disease detection.
Through images.
Okay, through images. Okay. Fourth use case. Making of particle medicine. Oh, that's one of upcoming field or emerging field in medicine. But that is also very hot. Okay, nowadays, and lot many companies are bidding on it. Like Deep. Have you heard of Deep Fold? Okay, so the one of algorithm in the AI, that algorithm invented medicine itself.
Even the graph machine learning.
Yeah, that also can invent. Anyone would like to add any use case? How can we use AI, say computer vision for healthcare or for medicine? I see AI, healthcare, and medicine. This is one of upcoming field, and lot many companies, lot many institutes are doing research on it extensively. I was invited in one club to deliver a talk where I was expected to deliver use cases, how they guys can, use AI, or how they guys can learn AI themselves and do research in medical. And guys, who invited me? That was Club of Doctors. That was in KM Hospital, Mumbai. And there they guys were saying ki whatever we guys are using, whatever we guys are studying, it's getting very hard that some engineers will be coming, he's studying medical stuffs and all the complex stuff. Instead of that, we guys will study those stuffs and we'll implement for ourselves. That was like basic their idea. And a lot of research has been done in this field. If you just see from the single point, from the very small problems, people are doing research. Here is one Pune-based company, Dental Dose. Heard of this? Dental Dose. Google पे search करो. They guys are using machine learning in order to see the cavity in your mouth. I mean, like that's one of the dental use case. Okay. There is one Bangalore-based company, Niramaya Healthcare. They guys are doing research, or they are like one of few company who is able to successfully detect breast cancer. So lot many use cases, lot many applications are coming in the healthcare. Okay. Okay, the next one, match move. Example, merging CGI with live actors in movie. Anyone would like to add on match move or motion capture? Match move. If I give hint, I'm sure lot many examples will come or lot many use cases will come. But before that, I just want to hear from you. Yes, sir.
Drone tracking.
Sorry?
Drone tracking.
Drone?
Drones.
Okay.
Tracking.
Okay. That's about motion capture and match move. Is it related to it? Okay. Anyone? Animated movies. By deepfake का नाम सुना है किसने? So that is one of use case, right? Deepfake सुना है? Heard of it at least? Yes, no? No? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Okay, I'll show you some of deepfake examples. Okay, surveillance. That's the one of use case where computer vision is being used from the very beginning. Number plate, helmet detection, number plate findings, sort of surveillance where face mask detection, social distancing identification. Any examples on surveillance? Video surveillance. Let's add some use cases. Video surveillance. Okay, what is video surveillance basically? Video surveillance. Any idea? एक सेकंड जो हाथ खड़ा करेगा उसको ही बोलेगा या okay, but what is video surveillance basically? CCTV feed. Right. And video surveillance, or you say video analytics. Okay, so let's add the use cases. First, you were saying some use case, right? Okay, vehicle overspeed. Okay, head count. Okay, what? Fire detection. Yeah. Okay.
National security, like in China, the government is constantly monitoring the whole population and like monitoring their behavior, and so if they do something illegal or something that is not lawfully, right, they punish them.
Right. They guys are using very extensively. और चाइना में तो भाई कुछ भी चलता है. They guys are doing anything. Some of the use cases which we can't imagine, those types of use cases they guys are building. Okay, and if you see the amount of progress or amount of development Chinese people are doing in AI, that's very extensive. Okay, that's very next level. Last month I was discussing with one of big tech guy. He said they guys got they guys were doing some analysis and all those things. That was for 2022 year. Okay, in that they found that कुछ 900 के आसपास कुछ some of the good research papers, some good research activities they found. Okay, out of those 715 were from China. 715 out of 900 में से 715 only China. Somewhere like 90 from USA and remaining from like rest of the world, Europe, Australia, Russia, India. India तो भाई बहुत नीचे. Like we are just doing something. We are just replicating. We are not good in research. Okay, we are doing very less research. Instead of that, we are good at providing services. We are good at copying stuff. That's why that's how our IT is heading the world, or our IT is dominating lots of stuff. But down the line, if you see, nowadays our government is trying very hard. In fact, first time in the decade, you say this year our financial minister, in her budget, she said that our government is planning to do some research and provide some active fundings for AI. Okay, and government is encouraging to do research. So I hope that scenario will change in the upcoming years. Okay, automotive safety. Yeah, so automotive safety, some use cases would like to add.
Pothole detection.
Sorry?
Pothole detection.
Pothole detection, okay. Pothole detection. Let's talk about more on automotive safety. That more on pothole detection, okay. That could be there, but not very specific. You can add more some interesting use cases. But is it related to AI? Fire and all? I mean, that could be related to embedded.
Car airbags.
Car?
Airbags.
Okay, yeah, that's use case. Okay, next. Sorry?
There are some of the cars which are having automatic brake system in the car. Goes very much near to this front wheel and then it automatically applies brake.
Okay, so these type of use cases are coming more from the Tesla. Okay, Tesla autopilot mode. Whatever Tesla is doing research in the automotive industry, that's leading the AI research in that space. If you just see amount of research papers they guys are putting, amount of patents they guys have got, that's just next level. In fact, last week, Forbes international chairman, I guess he was chairman of the Forbes. He said Tesla is the leading automotive industry, and they guys have shown that what can be built. Okay, so that's totally possible due to whatever they guys are implementing using AI, they are implementing using tech. their autopilot mode, their autonomous vehicle initiative, it's completely disrupting this industry. Fingerprint recognition and biometrics. Everyone, some of that, most of you might be aware of these types of use cases. Will not go in detail now. Okay. So these are listed some of the top use cases for computer vision. I guess most of these we have covered. Still, if you want to, if anyone would like to cover if anyone wants to cover anything or comment anything, we can discuss that one as well. Guys, you want to take me this slide? We have covered most of the things from this slide. Should I take or should I skip? Okay. Okay, this is about NLP now. So, you guys must be aware of NLP, right? Yeah. So, what is NLP basically?
Natural language processing.
And how we are using it? Yeah.
Use it for summarization.
Okay, summarization. That's the one of use. What is NLP? How we are using it? Let's start. Okay, we can cover one by one use cases. NLP, natural language processing. What is? Yeah.
Such as emails, so it will learn from textual data. Textual data, it will learn from voice data, it will work on voice data.
Okay. And a use case for to cover on NLP. I guess I opened wrong slide. Lot many use cases are there.
Language translation detection.
Sorry.
Text detection.
Okay, that's one.
Language translation.
Language translation. Yeah.
Spam classification.
Okay.
Video summarization.
Video summarization using NLP only, or you will require more.
We need additional features as well, but yeah, we are working on a project for the same.
Acha. Okay. Anything else? Okay, so these are basically use cases. I guess I'm missing the one hot use case of nowadays. Chat GPT. Why? Okay. So I was expecting Chat GPT अभी तक आया कैसे क्या नहीं? Expecting that answer. So anyone from the class who haven't used Chat GPT so far? Everyone has. Okay. And any alternative to Chat GPT? अरे वो अभी तक आया नहीं भाई.
Right, sorry.
Sorry.
Being searched.
Being searched, but they are using Chat GPT. Any alternative to Chat?
Light Sonic.
Light Sonic. Okay. Light Sonic from which company? Are you aware of it? Do you use it? Okay, no problem.
There was one from Bing, I guess it was in Sydney or something.
Okay. Okay. So these are again some of the AI use cases, but I have covered most of the use cases. What's the time by the way now? 4:28. Okay. Most of the use cases we have covered, and we can if we have time, we can cover these use cases at the end as well. These are some of the applications of e-commerce nowadays. Okay, and so we can use AI for personalized shopping. Many AI powered assistants are there. Like GPT, we can use AI for fraud preventations, e-commerce, and administration and education. We can create some content. We have some voice assistants, and these are some of the and this is now something cool. Okay, some of recent advancements.
ChatGPT. Most of us use. And the second one is My Heritage AI Time Machine. Any of it? भाई इंजीनियरिंग के बंदे हो नहीं यूज किया अभी तक क्या बात है यार this is very cool यार I mean most of tech people are using it AI stakeholder diffusion so here is the game, okay? You have to upload your 10 plus images and you are going to get different types of response from it, okay? If you would have born in the time of 1950s, how would you have looked? Okay, in the time of James Bond, in the Egyptian time, you just have to upload 25 photos of yourself. Try it after my session. So this is one of the hot tool. I mean, like most of the people are using this in order to see how they would have looked in 1950s in the time of Egyptian and all those. You guys can see my screen. You guys can see the images. Okay, just have to take a picture of your images and. After doing it, feel free to add me or share it on Twitter or LinkedIn and tag me, okay? ChatGPT, most of you have used My Heritage app, and this is the Reface app. So this is also one of a recent trading AI Reface app, okay? So express yourself with the AI avatar. You just upload your images and just express how you will look as a queen, how would you have looked as a comic character, super villain, this type of stuff. Just download the app, upload your images and see how would you look. Holiday mode, events, pop culture, oh that's like next level stuff are coming up. Now you can create new profile pictures for yourself. These all stuff are happening due to generative AI, okay? Generative AI is going to be the upcoming, I can say upcoming cycle of AI. That's going to be the cool stuff in the AI. I mean, that's going to be the upcoming stuff, and many applications will be built on generative AI. Life is going to get completely. You guys just ChatGPT से कितना change हुआ है? You can do it. I mean, not many stuff. People are writing exams with ChatGPT. Okay. People are writing emails to professors. Okay. So people are writing some messages, whatever they want. If they want to find some solution, they go on ChatGPT, use it. But lot many stuffs are coming. ChatGPT 3 is just a small thing. It just got started. The AI is gonna hit. Humankind is gonna get. You guys just imagine your life before, I mean, like humankind before electricity and after electricity, or the innovation of wheel. Life got changed. That's how same AI is going to be the next electricity, and the first spark or the first light you have seen to ChatGPT. Okay, let's see what are the new stuffs are going to come in the time. Okay. I was missing this. What are the alternatives to ChatGPT? Just someone chat. I guess someone said you were the one. Okay, so Chat Sonic is there. these are some of the ChatGPTs are alternative, and these are going to be the competitive to OpenAI ChatGPT in the upcoming time. Chai is also there. CHA. Okay. And but AI is coming. Heard of it? Anything else you heard of this one? Google Bard? Any news?
It gives information about James Webb Telescope. That's what I heard.
Okay. And what happened after that?
Their stocks went down.
Google stocks down more than that billion valuations, right? So this much big impact AI is making in today's world. Okay. You imagine, matlab 100 billion is in itself is big amount, and due to just some small mistakes, okay, in that model training or might be some data centric mistakes. Due to those mistakes, one leading company, is losing their 100 billion valuation. This was big impact AI is making. If you take it or you don't take it, but AI is going to become in every aspects of your life, and AI is not going to replace you. Okay. People who are going to use AI smartly, they guys are going to replace you. So you have to start using AI, different tools, and you need to be the okay. Well, so let's see the future of AI. Okay, I just want to hear ideas from you. I will be opening my task, but I just want to know what are your thoughts on future of AI. Come on, guys. क्या हो सकता है फ्यूचर में? आओ चैट जीपीटी को छोड़ के बताना. Yes, sir. Autonomous cars. Yeah, that's going to be the one of hot things in the upcoming time. In fact, lot many companies are working on it. Tesla is doing this. Google is they are having their own division. Apple is doing some of the fancy stuff. Lot many companies are doing on this, doing research on this. Autonomous vehicle. What else? Yes. Please be louder and be confident there. Yes.
Using AI for marketing.
Using AI for marketing. Nowadays also we are using AI for marketing, but how?
Like it will basically use the data from the and tell when the product mostly used, when should be the market open for those kind of products that are marketing.
Already these terms have been implemented. But yeah, we can do some advanced marketing stuff, advanced market research or something like that. Okay. Anyone would like to add something? Automated shop. Yeah, that's going to be there. I mean, you might have seen automated. You might have seen this news. Automated McDonald's ka shop is just got open. Yeah. So we can see more automated shops. Any use case? Anything you want to use that? This is going to intelligent humanless government. Okay. And how? Okay. Personal robots. Yeah, that's going to be there. Okay, so let me open my first chat. Big year for AI. Okay, 2023 will be the year of AI. ChatGPT phone is coming, Google Bard is coming, Scientific AI is coming, DeepMind Sparrow is coming, Text to Video is coming, lot many stuff are coming. Okay, and here Elon Musk is saying big year for AI. Any use case around this? Okay. So these are the some of upcoming stuff, and let me just show you one time. Okay, in the future, generative AI will change your lifestyle, but AI will be, it will be expecting in all the fields. Okay, AI will be used for personal, used for the medical treatment, that will be used in healthcare. You can read some of the use cases. You will not require any type of translator. In fact, your food can be prepared about. That will be based on AI. So one of the problem, or one of the computers were lacking. They are lacking in the imagination. Okay, and that problem will be solved with the help of GANs in the upcoming time. Okay, so some people said they know what is defect, right? What is defect? Can anyone tell me? In the short, one answer maybe. Okay, so let's see the demo. What is defect? Okay, so Obama is not saying anything. This is not said by him. This is scripted with the help of AI and with the help of GAN's network. You can just replicate anyone with the help of GAN, and that he can say. अगर मोदी जी कल वो भी नहीं है कि ये good. I mean, you guys can just create a video of Modi ji. Here is a good college. All the students are like very sincere, and machine learning club is doing good nowadays. Or anything else. Yeah. So these type of stuff you can create. So these are some of the use cases. They will be live, or they will do in the upcoming span of 2 to 3 years. Okay. I have covered, by intentionally I have covered these 4 use cases. Papers already published. Okay. Just stuff in the market. You just give the script of movie, and the system will create film automatically for you. To shoot and all those stuff. Okay. Other than people will be saying all the dialogue for you. Instead of Ranbir Kapoor to some AI, okay, and movie will be ready. These are some of the use cases. Just running out of time, so we'll not go in the detail. So you guys must be aware of ChatGPT 4. How ChatGPT 4 is going to come. You might be aware that ChatGPT 3 has 175 billion parameters, and ChatGPT 4 is going to have 100 trillion parameters. Okay, so that's going to be a huge chunk of information, and that's going to be very much accurate. Okay, Google Bard AI is coming. That is also coming. Going to be the competitor for ChatGPT. In fact, I don't know, have you heard of this news or not? You guys have issued the red flag, issued the red card. Have you heard of this? Sundar Pichai recently issued red card, और जो Google के पहले 2 co-founders Gary, yeah, they guys came back to the company and they have started working. They are creating strategies to fight with ChatGPT 4. Heard of this news? Yeah. That is one of how the market is going to get disrupted. So this is another type of chatbot founded by former employees of OpenAI, Anthropic's AI, Claude. Okay, you guys can see the difference between both GPT-4 and Claude. You can just Google it, you will find lot many information about it. Okay. This is about autonomous vehicles.